Welcome to the 6 Minutes English Podcast, your quick guide to learning English every day.
If you enjoy this lesson, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more.
You know, I was just thinking about how animals communicate. It's fascinating, isn't it? We often think of barks and meows, but it seems so much more complex than that.
Absolutely. It's a vast field. What specifically got you thinking about it? Was there something you read or saw?
Well, I saw a documentary about different animal behaviors, and they touched on communication. It made me realize we only scratch the surface with our everyday observations. For example, how do they really understand each other? Is it just instinct, or is there some form of learning involved too? That's a great question, and it's a mix of both. Many basic communications are instinctual, a specific alarm call for a predator, for instance. But animals also learn. Young birds learn their specific songs from adults, and dogs learn to interpret human cues, which is a form of interspecies communication. Think about how a dog knows when you're about to go for a walk just by your body language.
Exactly. It's not just about sounds. Animals use a whole range of signals, visual cues, like a dog's tail wagging or a cat's flattened ears, chemical signals, like pheromones, tactile communication, like grooming, and even electrical signals in some aquatic animals. It's like they have their own sophisticated languages without words. That's a great way to put it. Consider bees, for example. Their famous waggle dance isn't just random movement. It's a precise map. A foraging bee that finds a good source of nectar returns to the hive and performs a specific dance that tells other bees the direction and distance to the food. It's truly remarkable. The waggle dance. I've heard of that. So, they're literally sharing information about location. That's incredibly advanced for an insect. It's like they have to ensure everyone in the hive is on the same page about where to go.
That makes sense. It's vital for their survival. What about chemical communication, like pheromones? How do those work in practice? I know ants use them, right? Yes, ants are a classic example. When an ant finds a food source, it lays down a chemical trail, a pheromone, on its way back to the nest. Other ants follow this trail directly to the food. It's a sort of scent breadcrumb trail that guides them. Pheromones can also be used for alarm signals, to mark territory, or even to attract mates. Think of a female moth releasing pheromones that male moths can detect from miles away. It's mind-boggling, really. The more you learn, the more you realize how little we truly understand about the natural world. Every species seems to have its own unique, highly adapted way of conveying information. It really puts our own human languages into perspective. We think our communication is so advanced, but animals have been mastering theirs for millions of years, in ways we are only just beginning to grasp. Thanks for listening to English Boost. Remember, practice a little every day and you'll see big results. See you in the next episode.